Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to display pointer trails in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with start, and then you need to go to settings. Here we need to find something like devices, Bluetooth printers and mouse settings, and then from the left panel we need to go to mouse. Here we can find a lot of really useful settings, but we are interested in to move our cursor to the right side, and we need to open here additional mouse options. Now we have mouse properties settings displayed here. We need to go to pointer options bookmark, and here on visibility section we can find the display pointer trace settings. How you see, this option is actually disabled, so we need to check this option if we want to turn it on. Of course, on default this effect is set to long, but you can adjust this effect, for example, to short. Everything depends on the preferences of an user, but maybe I set it to medium, so it looks like that. Okay, so now we can press apply button, and changes have been successfully implemented here, so we can click OK button. And it's all for today. If I helped you to get this effect, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.